To add a sign-up form to Google Sites, follow these steps. Create or open your Google site. Go to Google Sites and log into your account. Either open an existing site or create a new one by clicking the Create button. Use Google Forms for the sign-up form. Open a new tab and go to Google Forms. Create a new form by selecting blank or a template. Then add the necessary fields for your sign-up form. Customize the form as needed with additional fields or design adjustments. Get the embed code. After finalizing your form, click Send in the top right corner of the Google Form Editor. Click the Embed option to generate an HTML embed code. Copy the embed code provided. Embed the form in Google Sites. Go back to your Google Sites editor. On the page where you want to add the sign-up form, click on Insert from the right sidebar. Select Embed and paste the HTML code you copied from Google Forms. Click Insert to add the form to your site. Publish your site. Once the form is added, click Publish to make the site live with the sign-up form.